What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Ohio Power Tool. I'm Mike.
And I'm Nick. You know what, Mike?
What's that, Nick?
Milwaukee's M18 fuel covered conductor cable stripper has been quite the hero in the utility world for a while now. This is one of the most important tools Milwaukee has built for line workers, medium voltage techs, and underground crews who deal with covered conductors every day. If your crew is working with large MCM cables or medium voltage insulation that likes to fight back, this tool is literally engineered for you.
Right you are, Nick. And if you're out there stripping 600 volt or covered aerial conductor with a knife, swaying in the wind up in a bucket, you deserve better. You deserve something faster, safer, and consistent every single time. And that's exactly what this thing was built for. Actually, before we get too far, drop a comment down below and tell us the worst stripping setup you've had to use. If it involved a pocket knife or tape wrap pliers, we want to hear the story. Bonus points if your hand still remembers the pain.
Let's start with the tool itself. It has everything you need to operate the tool if you already have the bushings or only need a few. And because it's part of the M18 platform, it slots into the system most crews already rely on. No cords, no weird chargers, just the batteries you already use all day long. And specs-wise, the tool hits a nice sweet spot. It's just over 5 pounds as the bare tool and a little over 6.5 with the battery. So it still feels balanced whether you're working overhead, in a bucket, or down in a vault. It has a variable speed control for sensitive insulation, a power state brushless motor to keep the torque consistent, and it's one key enabled for tracking and inventory management. And Milwaukee backs the whole thing with a 5-year warranty, which you really appreciate when this tool lives the kind of environment utility gear lives in.
One of the biggest advantages of this tool is that it removes the need for exposed blades. The cutting blade is fully enclosed inside the brushing, so instead of fighting insulation with a knife and hoping it doesn't slice through your glove or your hand, you get controlled, predictable cuts every single time. It also strips fast, right around 1 inch per second, which Milwaukee rates is up to 4 times faster than manual methods. If you're doing multiple terminations a day, the speed adds up quickly. The adjustable depth gauge makes the strips consistent up to 6 inches.
6-inch ribbon curls, honey.
That's impossible.
6 inches.
And if you need more length, you can pull the gauge off and just keep going. You also have the protection of AUTOSTOP Kickback Control. If the tool binds, it shuts itself down before twisting your wrist off your arm. And one key is there if you need tool tracking, management, or to keep the occasional borrower honest.
Borrower?
Just cut it in or something.
Borrower.
Honest.
Now the kit option for this is more than just battery or a different bag. It covers basically every conductor size you're going to see. This is where Milwaukee gives you everything. The tool, the high output 3.0 battery, the dual platform charger, the handle, the gauges, the replacement blade, and most importantly, all 6 adjustable bushings. And these bushings are what make the system special. With all 6, you can strip conductor from 1/2 inch all the way up to 2.1 inches, Mike.
Wow. Wow.
Each bushing is laser etched with its size range, color coded so you know what you're grabbing, and designed with a quick connect interface that takes a couple seconds to swap.
The smallest one, the 1/2 inch to 0.7 inch, is what most crews use on smaller secondary distribution conductors. It's tight and super controlled. From there, the 0.7 to 1 inch bushing handles a lot of lighter overhead and underground work. Once you step up to 1 inch to 1.3 range, you're hitting one of the most common 600 volt secondary sizes. It's one of the bushings crews use every single day. The next size up, the 1.3 to 1.6 inch, is where your medium voltage and thicker insulation profiles start showing up. Underground crews spend a lot of time here. Then you've got the 1.6 to 1.8 inch, which is great for larger MV cables. And finally, the biggest one, the 1.8 to 2.1 inch, which handles the largest covered conductor you typically see overhead or underground. When you remove the depth gauge, that one's awesome for long strip lengths.
So when you put it all together, the cordless power, the enclosed blade design, the depth gauge, and all 6 bushings, you end up with a tool that's faster, safer, and more reliable than anything in the manual stripping category. It replaces multiple tools and eliminates a ton of job site risk. Even the old school techs who swear they'd never give up on their knife setups have found this to be a major upgrade once they try it. The consistency alone is worth it, but the safety difference is huge. And over a long day, those faster strip times really do add up. Whether you're equipping an entire utility crew or just want a smaller and safer way to strip covered conductor on your own, Milwaukee's M18 fuel covered conductor cable stripper is one of the most advanced solutions out there, and it's been proving itself in the field since day one.
If you've used it, let us know what sizes you're working with and how it's changed your workflow. We love hearing real-world feedback from people who actually are out there up on poles and down in the vaults. Links to both the tool-only version and the full kit are down below at the description. Check them out if you're ready to upgrade your setup.
Smack that like, subscribe, and notify things if this video helped you out. Thanks for sticking around. Now get back to work.
I'm sweaty.
I am too.
Keep the occasional borrower.
Borrower. Borrower.
Loner?
Borrower.
How can I say it something different?
A few moments later.
Borrower.
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 I can't say it either.
Borrower.
Borrower. Borrower. Borrower.
Borrower.
Borrower.
Borrower.
20 minutes later.
Borrower.
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 Borrower.